Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone parent phone to Android child phone. Let's get started. You can set up Google Family Link on an iPhone using the Family Link app and your Google account. First, open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Google Family Link, and install the app. Once the app is installed, open Family Link. Now, you'll be asked to sign in with your parent Google account. After signing in, Family Link will ask, does your child have a Google account? If your child does not have a Google account, tap No and follow the steps to create a new child account. If your child already has a Google account, tap Yes. After that, Google will show you some instructions on how to set up Family Link on your child's device. Now, let's move to the child's device. On your child's phone, open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Google, then tap on it. Next, tap All Services, then scroll down to the Kids and Family section and tap Parental Controls. Now, tap the Let's Do This button on the Parental Controls Setup page. Make sure only one Google account is signed in on the child's device. If multiple accounts are signed in, tap Sign Out and continue. Next, log in with the parent's Google account to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. That's it. You've successfully set up Google Family Link on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.